This is a boring intro, this is a catchy intro. Adding an intro and outro like this to the beginning and end of your videos can be a big turning point in your success journey on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to do this easily in a few clicks on Onemaker.io. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. And in this particular video, I'm going to tell you what is intro and outro for a video, the impact of good intro and outro, also the key elements of intros and outros, and last but not the least, top 5 intro animations online. So stay tuned. What is an intro and outro for a video? As the word suggests, intros are the visuals that mark the beginning of a video. Likewise, outros are the closing visuals that appear at the end. The two are widely used in the educational, entertaining, and business videos, webcast, podcast, corporate presentations, and similar. Though there are several reasons why an intro and outro are vital elements of any professional video. Key elements of the intros and outros. Visuals are the hook. Keep the animation good. It is a challenging part for the creators to keep interested where the attention span lasting are only 7 seconds. A short and crisp intro of about 5 seconds is made just to achieve this. The good news is that making a logo animation can take very little time and effort. The online tools like Onemaker.io that can help you to make mesmerizing logo reveals in no time. Opening your video with a lively animation of your brand logo is a good way to boost your engagement and brand recognition. Voice is the future. Good sound matters a lot. Indeed, animation, good visuals are really important part of your video, but once you're done with it, it's the really time to choose a music track or a good sound or music. To make the right choice, think about the mood you really want to establish, the experience you want to give. What characteristics describe your brand? It's your tone of the voice, serious, playful, dynamic, and do not forget to match your soundtrack and animation together. Right words with the right tone makes lots of difference. Use audio that sets the right ambience for your video, but it's not too loud or overpowering to distract the attention from your main content. Now let's have a look at some of the top intro animations that can be a great inspiration for you. Let's have a look. Impact of the good intros and outros. You might be wondering how it can affect your channel or brand. Let's discuss the bigger picture. Create a branded video and make it look really professional. Having a good intros make your videos more branded and professional and interesting than ever, as setting a particular theme or color will remind users of your brand value. It can be a really good promotion strategy for your logo or name. Don't underestimate the power of a good label. This can change the whole picture and the whole scenario. Outro helps you to add call to action to your videos so that you can give a proper direction to your users or audience and ask them what you want them to do, what influence you want to create. With that said, don't forget to check out the Onemaker.io website where you can get all the slideshows, music visualizers, logos, and lots of free templates. That too for free. We are a one-stop solution for all your creation journey. And bye for this video. Give a like button, share it with the people who really need it, and you can also check out more useful videos, more valuable videos in the playlist. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye and happy creation.